Let me get you. Let me get you.
We are back with the search for Pennsylvania, where a former teacher was gunned down outside her family's home. Investigators believe it was a crime of passion. You heard the story.
That's right, George. And investigators say this looks personal.
Say good morning.
Went out with a friend on Sunday night.
Good
When
morning.
she returned, she was shot multiple times.
Winner.
A
Winner.
Mother's Day murder mystery turned
Say good morning.
Pittsburgh into a crime scene, with authorities questioning how and why Rachel Del Tondo was gunned down and murdered in her parents' driveway.
I've taken 6 shots.
According to police, the 32
My Lanta. This is what I gotta work on today. That's a little redonkulous. Started pouring rain. Holy cow, here comes the storm. She nudged me. Apparently she wanted to be on camera too. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, the peanut. The peanut. Yes, it's finally cleaned off some. Ignore the other awful stuff.
I had to get that stuff done, and I knew I'm not time limit.
Oh, there's our soups.
Well, yes. And we have all that just mayo at home. Why are you taking a video of me?
Because I
Because I
can.
look like a turd right now.
Thank goodness.
My eyes like messed up.
Bread. This is the every 2-week debate of what bread.
You can leave your waters down there. I'll get them.
Okay. Thank you. What size?
Medium.
Medium, please.
Okay.
And then can I get a peanut butter parfait, please?
Okay.
And that's everything.
That'd be 886.
Thank you. That should leave us about $100 in that county. Finally get my peanut butter parfait. I've been like craving it for like 4 months now. That's awesome. There you go.
I couldn't hear. How are you not here?
Thank you so much.
You have a great night.
You too. Bite me! No, she's not gonna do it. You got the video out.
Say good night. Good night.
Okay, go back here. Go back here and play.
Good night. Get down.
Nope, she's not gonna do it now.
Good night. Good night. And good night. Underneath there hiding.